Thanks for stopping by my channel today. We are doing 2 DIYs for the Christmas holiday. It's decorating time and I wanted a simple DIY to do Christmas countdown. So this is a chalkboard from Dollar Tree. All I did was painted it white, like gave it two coats of white. I can't speak today. 2 coats of white paint, and then I tried to do some red stripes on it with red paint. They are not perfect, but it turned out really great. I even added the Dollar Tree red truck with the Christmas tree on it, so just to make it a little festive. So enjoy, and in the comment section below let me know if you enjoy these DIYs. This next DIY is mainly Dollar Tree items, maybe one or two things on it. One thing on it was not from the Dollar Tree. Anyway, I grabbed these boxes and painted them white because I needed like a mostly white display, and I also picked up the angel from Dollar Tree. I just gave it a little decoration here and there for the little boxes. The little trinket stuff that I put on are all from the Dollar Tree except a little star. So enjoy this DIY, and I wish you guys happy crafting and also happy decorating for the holiday. Let me know in the comment section how you like these, and don't forget, always keep smiling and spread love.